Hey guys, it's me, Redbird. So we were going to make, and I'm with my gang here. So say hi, guys. Hi, hi, viewers. Your cousin fell. He'll. Uh, don't worry about him. Okay. Ah, Terrence. I'm sorry. Hi guys, what are you talking about? I'm doing a vlog. I want to be in the vlog. I think you can't. Why not? I don't know. Oh, okay, fine. What up, guys? Oh my God, Greenberg, what are you doing here? Well, since I was bored, I thought that you were going to make a video, so I decided to bump in. Greenbird, what are you trying to? I don't know. What's next? Yellowbird? Oh, I'm sorry, Redbird. Oh, Yellowbird. I think I should go get some Tokyo food. Hey, what's up? Why you want Blackbird? Why you want Bomb? I think I'm not called Blackbird anymore. I changed my name to Bomb. Well, oh, anyways, let's get started with the computer. And you might be wondering why is there Mario singing on it? Well, Mario wanted to put that on the lock, on the screen lock. So we have some difficulties. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, what are you? I'm getting a close up of my mustache. Oh, what do you want? What the heck do you want? Mario, what are you doing? I just decided to bump in. And, oh, Mario wallpaper. Oh, this is great. This is great. Oh, okay. Have you ever heard of my wallpaper? Yeah, this was a birthday gift from the Redbird. From Redbird, the YouTuber. Okay, I should go now. Whee! Well, I guess we're not seeing them anymore. Anyway, let's get on with the blog. Alright, so this is going to be tricky. Let me get these guys out of here. Get guys. Blackbird, go. Okay. And who the heck are you? Who the heck are you? Well, my name is Mickey Mouse. Okay, why are you here, Mickey Mouse? Why are you here on my blog? Oh, I just don't know why. I'll just go. Yippee! Okay, I had enough of visitors. I'll just get in with my blog. Alright. There. Now, I think I should put this down. You don't have to see this. I think you should not have seen. I think you should not seen this. So I'll just clear that out while I'm doing this. I just picked up that. And look at this. This is my new wallpaper. Okay, let's get on. Let's get it on. Alright, the blog is today. What should I do? This. Oh, just put. Okay. Okay, guys. So tell me in the comments below what you want me to do. Like, if you want me to play Game Jolt. If you want me to play some games on Game Jolt, like, I'll do a series of my gang playing it, like Redbird Plays and other that stuff, etc., etc. And also we have a guest here, like Mickey and Mario. So both of them are going to play because they are in our family. So I'm just doing this vlog. So I think we should do some reaction videos. Alright. Wow. There's a lot of reaction. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. The Angry Birds movie. Guys. Yeah. Guys, the Angry Birds movie is gonna come out. Our own movie. Yes, finally. Yeah, finally. Now we don't have to worry about anything. Now we don't have to worry about anything. And also, Mario's not gonna be in that movie. Because this movie was bad. Hey! Hey, how rude! That's not nice! Whatever. Let's just get on with reactions. Alright. Let's go. Alright. What do you want me to do, viewers? We can react to something. I think people don't know. Maybe people want to react to this. Okay. Maybe somebody wanted me to react to this guy. Okay, I'm gonna react to him. I don't know which video. Okay, I'm not gonna show you this because I would get in trouble. So I think I should cut this out. Alright.
It would be cool like him, or let's see, they always an Easter egg. There is a dude named Nick, also known as Fate for Windows on Game Jolt, and if you wanted to, it would be cool like him.
Alright guys, so this is the video that I'm going to react. So let's watch this. So let's watch this. Oh dang it!
It would be cool like him, maybe like.
There. Alright, let's do it.
It would be cool like him, maybe like.
Oh wow! Find us a treasure island? Who is... Alright. Alright. Who is that head? I think it's Donald. Oh yeah, my buddy Donald. I think you're looking at Find Us a Treasure Island. How do you know that? Cause I know it. Oh. Let's just go on reaction.
Since this is a fan game, this was made by an entirely new developer or someone else that just wanted to revive the series. I'm just gonna click. Actually, no, let's wait for the freaking Easter egg. Remember, there is always an Easter egg. There is a dude named Nick, also known as Fate for Windows, Game Jolt.
That's good.
So he took it to his hands after the purity sinners abandoned the game. Oh, it's so loud. Oh, okay, now. Let's see the Easter egg. Hey, hello.
It's hard to, because I need to find my mouse, because I don't have any arms.
That's why I've been waiting. Okay, no, never mind. He doesn't want to show me. Oh, maybe he do.
Oh my god, that scared me.
Why the hell was it glowing purple?
Alright, so
This is a fan game. As I said in the
we
beginning.
have
So I'm pretty sure
been
he
watching
did
this.
ask
So,
permission, but I don't.
alright guys, I react to a bit. Alright, so I'm gonna end this video here. So if you want me, tell me in the comments what should I react or should I play. You'll tell me in the comments below. So stay angry.